Fundations time. This is Unit 9, Week 1, Day 4. We are going to start with our vowel teams that we just learned yesterday. So I'm going to have to stand up and hold this for you to see. Now, so here's our chart. Repeat after me. A-I bait A. A-Y play A. Good. Guess what? It's the second day and we're going to get to do new ones already. We have E-E, Jeep E. You say it. Our next one is going on here. E-A, eat E. You say it. And then our last one, E-Y, key E. Good job. So these all have the sound of A, and these all have the sound of E. So let's try them again. A-I bait A, you repeat. A-Y play A. E-E jeep E. E-A eat E. E-Y key E. Nice job. We'll be continuing practicing those and learning more. Remember, this year in first grade, you will be not expected to spell those without help, but you're going to recognize them when you read them, and you might start spelling them on your own. All right, we're going to do our trick word drill. Let's see if I can get nice and close. Are we ready? Okay, go. Said. Number. Were. Did you get it? Where. Nice job. Molly's walking through here again, coughing. Poor little thing. Oh, forgot one. Who is that? Molly. All right, nice job. How'd you do with those? Yeah? Did you do well? Could some of those we get rid of out of the stack? We might be at that point. Some maybe you can get rid of. What are the ones you need to work on? Practice that at home with your cards that you've made. I sent home that list of words and those index cards. So make those and practice those so you can get really good at them. It's something you can do by yourself while you're waiting on somebody to help you with your math or with your work, writing your sentences. Okay, good. We're going to move right on into now the word of the day. So doing this, our word of the day is, can we say that? Look at that. Now, let's go ahead and do what we know about this word, okay? We've been talking a lot about closed syllables, so let's look and see what we have. How many vowels does this word have? It just has one. That's good for a closed syllable. And then what happens with a closed syllable? Can you remember? When you have one or two consonants closing in, that vowel comes after the vowel. That means that that's a closed syllable word, and your vowel will say the short sound. And in this case, that would be ah, like we're used to saying for the A. All right, so does this one vowel, is it one or two consonants coming after the vowel? Yes, so it's a one-syllable word. It is closed. We know that because of the one vowel and the two consonants coming after it. And as soon as we mark that, we can go ahead and put our brev above our vowel. And there's something else we can mark up in this word. What about those two consonants? It's a blend. So those two consonants, there's a blend, C and then the T. All right, so now we're going to tap this out. So I want you to think about it. Elbows up. Here we go. Act, 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 act. Oh, act. What does act mean? You might act out something when you're playing with somebody. Oh, I miss you all at recess, but some of you act like you're the good guys, and some of you act like you're the bad guys and chase each other around. Sometimes we act like mom and dad and brother, sister out there on the playground. Some of you act like animals, make sounds or run around like them. So that's act. So that's the action, ooh, kind of has that in there, of doing something. A lot of times you will hear as children that you need to act right, right? Because you know you can. It means how you behave or how you work. So if you're responsible, it's how you act. All right, and I have lots of good responsible children, don't I? Yes, I do. All right, and so we're going to be putting this with our word of the day. We're going to be writing it in our notebook, and we're going to do this sentence with it. I came up with this one. I did an act of kindness. Isn't that nice? If you haven't done one yet today, you can do it. Then you can come back and show your sentence. I did an act of kindness. So I'm going to leave this up here so that you are able to copy that down into your Wilson notebook. You're going to look in the vocabulary section, which is in the middle. And from there, you are going to find the letter A. You're going to mark it up. And the next two lines, you're going to write the sentence, I did an act of kindness. Remember your capital I, remember your period at the end. I'm going to be looking for that K to be a lowercase k, not a capital K, because we don't need a capital K here. And your finger spaces. All right, so look for nice, neat writing. So I'm going to leave this up so you're able to find it. I can't wait to see your writing.